Where the tune's at.
What's that?
Where the tune
What's
is
that?
at.
You want to play a gig?
Ah.
You want to play a gig?
Yeah, I'll take it from. We're at the Wellmont Theatre at the moment, guys. Indoor. So look at this. I think you've already seen it. Please do not swear. Ah, look. Where are we? Reese's Bees. We are in New Jersey. New Jersey. That is Stay, yeah. Reese's playing it on the bass. It's cool. Oi! Sarah says, oi! Hi, Sarah. When are you guys coming back to England? I think it's in about a week. We've got another week in the US, haven't we, Tanner?
We do?
Yes.
Yeah, one more week.
We'll go home. Go home for a couple of days, and then we've got Fusion Festival, which I think you can still get tickets to. I think Us, the Vamps, and Take That, which is pretty cool. My ears just went really loud. So yeah, we're technically supporting Take That, which is pretty cool. I think my mum's gonna be like, I love that. I love you, Ashley, too. Can't wait for a new song. Well, we've filmed some videos, so hopefully they'll come out soon for you guys to watch. Thank you very much, 100k. That was really cool. Come back to Belfast. Hopefully we can come back to Belfast. Isn't that right, Blake? Yes, they do. Yes, they do. So, you can find... I don't know the chords. I don't know. Singing from my lungs, I'm sorry, honest. Don't you need to say I was like you dead, but darling, if you stay here, I'm not back away. Sure, I was just gonna stay, but darling, if you stay here, I was like you dead, but only if you stay. Yeah.
Hashtag improv.
Hashtag, yeah. So, yeah, so we thought we'd do a live stream on our Instagram account while we sound check, but also we are doing a live stream at Fix tonight on Musically, well, Lively.
Quick thing, I don't know if I've said it yet, you might have said it already, but thank you for that.
Yeah, guys.
That's awesome.
It's pretty awesome.
Great for us.
Yeah, we only recently...
And every single one of you counts.
Yeah.
So if you follow us on
I've
Twitter,
seen someone that made
thank you
26 accounts just to get us up to
Wow.
100k, which is insane. Thank you very much. That's not cheating.
Every account's an account, so thank
That's
you very
really
much.
cool. So thank you very much. Here he is, John. Can I zoom in on this? Oh yeah. Look at them guitar skills. What song's that? Are we going to do any more mashups? John Mayer mashup, maybe. Come on. Improv John Mayer mashup. Yeah, go. Improv.
Just find out a ghost left town and the Queen of California is stepping down. I am driving 85 in yonder morning. That's all left to
Just.
I'm just stuck inside the room.
Yeah. Someone said do a catfish in the bottom and mash up. We can do that. Gravity. Do a Shawn Mendes mashup. That's quite a good one.
I should actually do
That's quite a cool one. Reese, what are you thinking about mashups? Shawn Mendes mashup? That's quite cool. We can do Ed Sheeran. Oh, you know what? Someone said do an Elvis mashup. That's awesome. Reese is here, guys. Whacking out some Arctic Monkeys. Thank you, Tanner. 5-star smash up.
Alright.
Sweet. Vamp smash up. That's quite cool. I like all these suggestions, guys. Make sure you tweet us these, because we'll hello. I'll tell you what. Sounds so cool. I'm gonna pass you to someone now. Paramore mashup. Ben, or you're gonna be in Ben's hands now. We're gonna sound check. Thank you guys.
Ben's one hand.
Liking. And make sure when we finish this live stream, we'll be off stage and finish sound check. So we're gonna follow you guys. We're gonna reach 100k on Twitter. Stop getting close. So yeah, we're gonna do a follow spree and a DM spree. So make sure you retweet our last tweet with the video about us getting 100k.
You
Can I pick up Reese's vocal album, please?
Oh gosh.
Do you want to do...
We do.
What do you think it's split like?
I'll change your channel. There it is. There it is. Oh my god, it's so crazy! Oh my god, it's so crazy! Here you go. Thanks.
Well, there's loads of people. Hello, everyone. How is everyone? We're currently just sound checking, if you didn't realise. We just finished, actually. Sounding good today. I mean, it always sounds pretty decent, but in our ears, I mean. And it sounds really good today, so I'm looking forward to the show. It's a seated show, which are always different, aren't they? It's different between a standing. It's when it's seated. It depends, because sometimes the crowd just really enjoy the music more than wanting to see a performance of like a crazy performance. But we've had some seat shows where they've gone a bit crazy, so we never know. It's always sort of a hit or miss. But obviously it's always an amazing show because the crowd's great. Just went off on one really there. Don't know what I was talking about. I'm just doing a walk around the stage, to be honest, not really doing a lot because finished. Glasgow soon? Question mark. I don't know. I mean, I'm sure. Maybe not this year, maybe, but probably next year. Definitely next year. In fact, I definitely know next year. So yeah. Congrats on 100k. Thank you very much. So I shouldn't bite my nails. Ask some questions if you want. Anything you want. I'll try and answer as many as I can in the time we have. I'm missing my nap, but no regrets. Fair enough. Well, thank you for staying on and watching us. Excited for South America. Very excited. It's going to be so good. I've heard a lot of good things about going there. So, finally, the crowds are great. Really excited, and we love an energetic show. So.
George. Yes!
You'd save George?
Yeah.
Hello! I'm just answering some questions. Hello. Favourite dinosaur? I like the one that doesn't eat meat. You know, the one that's like, it's like got like
A big neck.
it's got like a really sort of spiky body but short neck, and it just eats grass. I don't know, it's got Stegosaurus maybe?
Yeah, it's the one with the club on the back of its tail.
I don't know.
Like, it's like a turtle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It just eats grass.
I think they call
So
it
cool.
Stegosaurus.
I like all the ones that don't eat meat because they're just in there like more timid, and I feel like you could have one as a pet. Whereas the whatever it's called, Tyrannosaurus, whatever it's called. No thanks. But however, sometimes they say like in films they were like massive, but actually realistically they were the size of a chicken. So maybe I wouldn't be so scared if it was the size of a chicken. I'd just run. Who knows? The questions are coming through quite slowly, but I'm trying. Sweden needs you guys. Well, we'd love to come to Sweden, and I'm sure we will. So it's one of them. We are very excited to come, but we'll have to just see what happens. Blake, can you follow me on Twitter? New Hope Francine. I will try my best to remember. Unfortunately, I can't do it right now, but I will definitely try and do that. When's the Viva video up? I don't know. I actually don't know that. It's really bad. I put a picture up yesterday of us holding the Viva thing, suggesting that we were going to be doing it very soon. But it is going to be soon, but I don't know exactly when, unfortunately. I'm sorry. Are you excited to go on the world tour? Very excited. I mean, obviously the world tour is incredible, but yeah, we'll have to see.
Blake, it's dinner time!
What are we going to eat?
Okay, guys, I've got a request. If you could, when this live stream finishes, if you could go onto the interweb, possibly Twitter, and go and tweet #NHC100k. So if you could do that, that'd be great. Calgary misses you. Calgary was so good. Like, I was one of my favourites by far. Like, just so good. The crowd was incredible. The show was incredible. It was our first full standing show in ages. So it's kind of like hard to forget that one. It was really good. So, you know. It's a funny sign on the door. So yeah, right guys, we're gonna go eat. So if you could all go on Twitter right now and put hashtag NHC100k. We're gonna retweet, follow, reply to some, DM, the whole lot right now. So go and do it. Hashtag NHC100k. Love you lots. Bye bye. And I don't know how to end it.